Hey, we in there, man. Let's go, boy.
Let me feel that flow.
Squeeze, homie.
My brother, you already know what's up. Clank, you ready?
Clank,
1, 2, 3. Clank, clank.
Green ass shit, though. Right here in my face, though. What they do?
I need to get together. I need to get a Johnny on my
You need to
side.
got-
The garbage line up. Line up garbage.
Bam, bam, bam. What you talking about?
I wish you would try to sell me something, boy. That boy trying to say this mansion right here.
Say something smooth right now. Window at the top. This shit moving the dirt. Yeah, it's
Damn! No, nigga trying to Houston made churro burgers.
I got you.
Clank, clank, still at little. Hey, Chain, oh, mad as fuck when you died on BMF, bro. That shit pissed me the fuck off. Man, be back, bro. Just. Damn. Yeah, they know you when you get through it.
I be gone out of space. 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 Yeah.
Hey, Slim boy. Slim boy. Hey, Slim boy. Slim boy.
Stop. I'ma get it. I'ma fly. I'ma root. I'ma lie. I'ma ooh. Yeah. I'm the last Targaryen. Let my dreads always float in the wind. I can't never fuck with fuck niggas. No, if you ain't getting money, no. Oh, post the code. Take a trip with me.
Where we going?
Post the code.
Where we going?
Post the code.
Alright.
Take a trip with me. Rockstar, baby, rockstar. I'm a rockstar, baby, rockstar, baby. I'm a rockstar, baby, rockstar, baby, rockstar, baby. I'm a rockstar, baby, rockstar, baby, rockstar, baby. Had to sleep on the floor just to get here. Got me higher than a chandelier. When it get hard, I keep my faith in God and God. I'm a rockstar, baby. Rockstar, gotta watch out for the Rico. Caught my first 7 grand.
Still in the phone, Kodak brother.
That's going.
Yeah, go ahead. There we go. Ha! There we go. Why we going to the gas station though? This shit lit, mama.
I'm vlogging, alright?
You vlogging?
I know my
What's up, gang? You already know what it is. Bumble Clap. Back with another Bumble Clap.
Oh, my soul, yeah.
Today
we at the Rick Rock show. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? With the game.
I told you.
Yeah, we at. Got the whole game with us, man.
It feel like we
at
in
the Rick Rock
Florida.
show. Hey, look, man, they started early out here.
Yeah.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Clank, clank.
Yeah, we at here.
Yeah, boy, it feel like we back at the crib.
They said park at the pump. Park at the
Bruh, I told you, follow police.
They got the cars out, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is nice.
You just did it.
We in this bitch.
Hey, well, I need a hat.
Huh?
I got and girls and drugs in my
It's 130. 130 for a hat.
Glow just finished his
And
video.
my niggas hat.
I did pay 130
Fuck
for
you
that
talking about?
motherfucker.
Yeah, 130. Yeah.
130. They look dirty ass block
Got a helicopter going on, goddamn. That nigga said, bro, I gotta get there. She said, I'm getting there. Under that ass of that helicopter. Yeah.
My man.
All the way.
What I just tell you how you fucking move out here. You gotta move out here, boy. That's how you move out here, boy.
Man, we say that to the next person. Yeah. But we found a way to get in there.
Nigga, I forgot my motherfucker. Motherfucker, my
You got the police escorting us. You know how 12 escorting us to get in there.
Bro.
Human, bro.
Talking about
It's a
fire.
human. They got pussy.
Come on, gotta get escorted.
They
Let
fought
me how
like
you do it.
They done broke the barrier for y'all boys.
Yeah, bro.
They bring up. Yeah, we get an escort.
That's how you do it. That's how you do it.
That's
That's how you do
What
it.
y'all say finesse now?
What? Ain't no such thing. It's called juice.
Hey, bro, excuse me,
Stop,
police,
boy.
police,
Stop.
police,
Boy.
police. Escorting us. My fault, bro.
Yeah.
Which gate we going to, baby?
The big gate.
The big gate.
The big one.
The bigger one.
The big one.
The biggest one.
We get escorted in that boy.
Escort boys. Escort boys.
Go ahead. Keep on going down.
They get going with escort boys.
Yeah.
Oh, no, that.
Motherfucker.
I saw the DM, nigga. 305, baby. We got helicopters floating. What they do, boy? Oh, roll the window up, roll the window up.
Keep it inside. Keep it inside. Inside voice. Inside voice.
You can't give a nigga shit.
Can't give too much energy.
Getting this far.
Yeah. Right here when we get here.
Uh-oh, escort boys, you get ready? Oh, shit.
Come on.
Oh, shit, this right?
Turn. Go. Go. Right in there. Make it right. Go funny. Go funny, money. Go. Go, gang. Go.
Hey, we in there. Escort boys. Oh, calm down. Wait. We gotta get through this. Keep going, kid. Keep going. Hey, stop.
My dog right now.
Here you go.
Come on, boy. Good.
Escort boys.
Keep going.
Where you going?
Yeah.
She said,
Oh, he in the car.
Keep going.
Yeah, they told us to go there.
Hey, escort boys. We in that bitch. Yeah. We in that bitch. Yeah. Escort boys. Yeah, we in that bitch. The escort boys.
Stop playing with the body. Stop playing with the body. Hey,
Escort
right here. Park right here.
Hey, tell them no car.
Right here. Park right here on the left. Right here by the truck. Park right here by the truck. Park right here on the
Don't
truck.
talk to nobody else. We in here.
We in this bitch.
Don't talk to anybody else.
Damn, that's the
All right. Line up. Line the window. All right, listen. Hold on.
Hey, little Meek, we love you, boy. Hey, put me in BMF 4, boy. Hey, go. What's up? Playing with a nigga. Put me in BMF 4. Florida boy shit. Love y'all, boys.
Yeah. Come on, get up. Yeah.
We outside. Escort boys. Oh, my fault.
Yeah, we out here. Rolling, you know what I'm saying? We were high. We were high.
all that water.
Hey,
Let's see what they got in there.
that shit smell good as a fish. Right, I'm hungry.
Nerd.
We got right next to it, bro.
Escort, man. Boy, it feel like we back in Florida right now. You already know what time they we in Florida water. So you already know what time it is.
I'm gonna walk over there. I'm gonna walk over there. I'm about here.
That's what that is. Solo.
I'm gonna walk over there.
Wait, I'm finna grab a napkin real quick. Yo. Oh, you from the crib? That boy said, yo, damn. I ain't hear that in a minute. Yo, you feel me? Niggas know what's up. Dead County to the day we die type shit. Dead County, baby. We got Dead County out here. You hear me? Well, duh, we at Ross crib. Stupid ass boy. Kansas City shit.
You thought of that, you like
6'9".
6'9".
6'9"? 6'8"?
Yeah.
So imagine, oh, Charlie, damn. Him and Charlie Scott neck to neck.
What up, gang?
That boy got two phones. Look, Kansas City shit. Kansas City shit, yeah. Look at that shit. Oh, shit, that's my vlog. Oh, shit. Oh, look in that bitch. Oh, shit. Stop playing, though. Bruh.
My name, man.
He put his stuff on bricks.
On brickies.
Hell no, what the fuck?
Damn.
Red carpet.
Red carpet.
Man, don't even drive that bitch.
Yeah.
That's a toy, man.
There's no point in driving that hood.
Put a supercharger in the car.
I see that.
I'm gonna tell you about mechanic. He gonna see the video. Oh, okay. This is why I won't.
Oh shit, the old school. That's how you gotta come through.
Look at that bit, boy.
Who that? Hey, you come on.
Hey.
Tell me something about it.
That is hard as fuck.
That's the one right here.
It's not the. This the one, not the two. This is hard.
Y'all see it, man. We gonna bring you with y'all. Let's keep game. Ooh.
Damn. Oh, even the. Oh, sorry for stepping on the red carpet.
Oh, you good.
Damn. Damn, I gotta.
No. Keep that bitch clean.
No
Bro,
groceries, no nothing.
Go shopping in at night?
No. That bitch clean for sure.
Bruh, I would draw that every Sunday.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna go on TikTok.
It ain't tall enough.
Damn. Hey, what?
It ain't tall enough. Mine? Can't get it, mine.
I can limbo under my shit. That's too moony. God damn. Hey, damn. Hey, bro, that's a skit. Hey, now this still ain't tall enough. God damn, I never seen cars taller than me. Nigga, you could really walk under this bitch. This shit hard as fuck, bruh. This hoe hard as fuck, boy.
Tight shit, Clank.
Oh shit, my nigga in this bitch, Dad. 305 shit. Right here, boy, Dade County. Hey, tell them CBs, man. Tell them dimes,
CB
man.
at the promised land, you playing crazy right now.
Your whole
Where
right
your
here,
BM at? I'm
bro.
looking for your BM,
Your
homie.
BM right
I
here.
don't see your BM, kid.
She right here with all the Zors.
All the CBs,
All the
homie.
CBs, homie.
She wanna see all the whips with the rims,
all
kid.
the whips,
You
bro.
playing crazy,
You
homie.
playing crazy,
I'm at the
homie.
promised land, kid.
At the promised land,
What's
kid.
your BM, homie?
Where your BM, bitch? Getting done, getting
Grease,
greased.
homie. You playing crazy.
So greased,
We at the
bro.
promised land with your BM.
With your
You
BM.
playing crazy.
ZB, you crazy.
Yeah.
What they do, my brother? You already know what's up. Hey, oh, yo, my fault. My name is Mr.Clank Clank. We gonna say Clank Clank. You ready?
Clank,
1,
clank.
2, 3. Clank Clank.
Turn up,
Stay
bro.
blessed, brother. Hey, we in this thing. Shout out to Texas, Florida, all like Clank Clank. Still have boy. We in this big cut though. Oh, I didn't even know. Hello. Hey, this shit bigger than Memorial Weekend. So we mobbing out, escort gang, you feel me? Oh shit, my joint fucked up. Hey, hey, your grandma got face. Hey, your grandma got face. Green. Your grandma, she give me head.
A lot of my bros, I hit the gas on a big block. Don't shit stop. You see the cheese in my shit squad. Top down, get closer to God. Now see no nigga, bitch. My shit hard. Coming through.
Well, that shit, fire. With the gator leather, fuck you talking about? They ripped the gator off. Golly. This is what I'm talking about. Gonna smooth this bitch on out. So smooth this bitch on out. Yeah. Must be Corona. It must be Corona. Hey, it must be Corona. Hey. That shit hard. Hey. In the motherfucking bubble. In the bubble. Bubble. Corona. Dona. I don't even know if she's gonna. Bring the stomach out. Hey, bring the stomach out. Bring the stomach out. Bring the stomach out. Out the stomach out. No diddy. It's not louder over there. That's it. We in the bitch like we in this bitch like we like some kids like we like some kids like got smooth in the bitch like smooth in the bitch like got that girl like girl in the bitch like I'm in the bitch like Puerto Rican bitch like we don't give a fuck like why we don't give a fuck like why I be smoothing everywhere, clanking in this bitch like hell. Yeah, check my hair, baby, like my dress, they swing. Getting money, brain, baby, it's my thing. Having with the cool, I just know the swing. Yeah.
Y'all hear me?
When is the cut hard?
Still.
Let's spin the ball. Hey, let's spin the ball. What we doing? Stolen car. Hey, this car hard. Hey, yo, this shit hard. Look. That thing hard. What they in line?
They waiting on the
things in your mouth.
Damn, nigga, you got popcorn butter in between your teeth. Don't say that nasty ass beard.
What y'all niggas fired up, man?
They know you weak. You weak.
They say you drink as hell, my boy. Yeah, very well. They say you drunk. Out the shop.
Hey, Lee, you funny as fuck.
Hey, the captain goes
Hand on rip, nephew.
I'm gonna put the cat out.
On that plan, I'm gonna fire his ass up. His parent already done took a picture with Fat Boy. His parent on rip.
Yeah. My body fat ass up.
If you need some new dreams, nephew.
New I'm about to get your meatball built ass.
I'm about to get your honey bun zipper cake head out.
Nasty feet ass.
Ooh, I ain't won this. Face ass.
I'm about to fire that. Do this.
Hood rich. Hood rich. Fuck around here. Little eye. Hood rich. Ooh, my dad. I'm trying to grease for 2B. Look at that. Fuck around too. He got these little eye lizards. Fuck around too. Long neck guy. Your neck bigger than your head. Fuck around too. You don't got no neck.
Nigga, look at your titties, nigga, jump. Wobbly titty ass.
Wobbly titty ass. Hey, take a picture with him now. You got and then
both of they fat
ass up. Bro, this shit lit as fuck. I fuck with Jit. Bro, hey, I'm following Jit ASAP.
Body fat ass up. I fought 2 meatballs up in one day. How that work? Nigga rolls. Oh my god.
Well, your nose long as fuck.
Boy, your ass like Mark Henry Snell, cuz you ugly as hell. Your fat ass cow. On my mom. What the hell, man?
What?
The fat ass ran away.
Bro, you on it, yeah?
They should be blowing twins. They be blowing the twins.
Growing up, who fought the most hoes?
He like he fucked the most hoes. He just wiped one up. He wiped up. He still single.
Oh, you got no kid?
My shit landed.
Nigga got a mission.
Oh! They don't need that too. No, sir. They don't need that. That's how you.
What, 71 to 76 dunk, mile hard pop.
Yeah, man, get it going. Oh! Oh, shit! Look, Pop come from. Where the Pop come from? How you doing the truth?
Damn, it's another one.
I ain't got no car either, but
Reggie baby. Right there. At the gate trying to get in.
713 motoring with the Ferrari. Second place, 713 motoring. And first place, Sonic Sport. 277 Orlando. 277 first place.
Yes, sir, we out here. Yeah, you know I'm positive when I get to the knowledge field.
Damn, Reggie, that's a Reggie next.
Your ass. That was a baby.
What's up, Bob?
What the fuck? They county in this hole.
I gotta do a video with him.
Oh yeah, too. Yo, look at green ass shit though. Right here in my face though. What they do, motherfucker though? Dead county shit, motherfucker. Fuck you talking about?
Sipping, drinking, Adams on the screen type shit. Just a sad hoe.
I ain't take the picture.
You didn't take the picture?
Nah.
Right, grab him. He didn't take the picture.
Hey, he ain't take the picture.
Hey,
Hey.
You got the picture?
No, I ain't get it.
You get it?
Clank, clank. Wait, I ain't take the picture.
Oh, you know what?
Gotcha, you been Clank.
Thank you.
Damn, they got shooters at the door.
So y'all gotta stop.
Yeah, we can say it 10 times. We inside this thing.
So do y'all have any wristbands at all?
Our face card is our wristband.
That don't mean nothing because I know none of you.
Hey, that's good, man.
Okay, but on our behalf, you see the sign right here? That's what they told me you need to have.
I need to get together. I need to get a Johnny on my side.
They got a Johnny.
Yeah, we outside now.
We inside.
We outside now.
No, we inside now. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that's right.
Damn, I'm sitting on brickies. Oh.
Oh, yeah, for sure. All love, for sure. Hey, bless you.
What's up, Brody?
It's a garbage line up.
Right here.
Line up garbage. Garbage, all this garbage. About 3 million. Man, God, bro. This costs more than me. You got a regular video though?
Hey, bro, that nigga Buffalo. Look, sitting there vibing. Right there. Remember he bought that shit on Instagram. Hey, you see he bought that hoe. The Buffalo. Right there. No, this nigga grow dreads like it's no tomorrow. Wait, hold this. What they do, soldier? Hey, soldier on the other side. What's good, soldier? Wait, you already know what time it is. Got this soldier with me. Bam, bam, bam. You already know what time it is. We on that soldier shit.
Yeah, nah. Real.
Bam, 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 bam. This what I've been doing on tour. What you talking about, nigga? You feel me? Since a jit. Oh, sorry.
Brady told her to wait.
That boy outside.
That boy, Johnny,
He's famous as fuck. I wish you would try to sell me something, boy. Oh, damn, that's your son. God damn, that boy taller than you, boy. Hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I'm mad as fuck, bro. You gave me one of the pink shit. The shit wasted in my bag, bro. That shit pissed me off. Every time I see you do a video, I get sad as fuck, bro. I be like, but I be seeing my dog out here, you feel me? That boy trying to say this mansion right here.
Window at the top.
Fuck you,
Go spray the pool water.
you feel me? Bro.
Hello.
Salesman.
Water in there. You finessing it. Straight water in there, man.
Hey, y'all might as well do a skip right there real quick. Hurry up, run that shit. Look.
This shit moving the dirt.
Oh,
Damn.
Oh, shit. You don't even gotta do it. You got niggas doing it.
Whoa, my shit. No.
That boy got balls for years, boy.
the song yet? He got real balls. He a Ghost Rider, bro.
Yeah, he a Ghost Rider. That's what it is.
Every time.
Hey, just ask his son. Hey, he a Ghost Rider? Yeah, see?
He gonna say you see me driving it, riding the boat like that. I gotta say I fuck with you, my boy.
Hey, I can get a pic with all y'all boys.
Yeah, hell yeah.
We dirty. That's pretty work. I told dirty.
Damn, boy, I finally got your ass in person. Damn, since high school. Since high school, right? Norland, right?
Nah, nigga, the West, nigga.
Oh, okay. Oh, you went to the West.
I look like everybody, man.
Bro, but we've been supporting each other so long, bro. Yeah, it's genuine as fuck. Every time I see your page, I'm like, this nigga went to my high school. And you, bro, that's no money causes a treat. That boy stay with the fit. Stop playing with that boy. You feel me?
That's a new plane. I got a truck full of cowboy killers.
Rockstar, baby.
Post it up in the tug, got up under the pine. Fuck love, fuck trust, fuck it, I'ma get high. Bad bitch, cowboy killers.
Right now, nigga trying this Houston-made trail burgers. So next to the car, I don't feel like taking a picture. I'm trying to eat my shit.
Yeah, watch out for that thing right now.
What's up? What's up, boy? Great, longer than mine. Hello.
Going to the city, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Them boys right over there in that cut.
Now myself, I'm up on it. Look, they got the white.
All the white.
I saw Johnny Dane too. Yeah, what you say? Get the fuck out of here. That's good, that's good. You can pay time when you get there. Oh, that's what's up, man. We was just saying, like, we didn't know what to expect, though, but shit, that's good. Now, I say that. I already recorded my vlog. Okay, yeah, I got close to it now. This is my vlog.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, you whipping this shit.
I was just so happy back home. He saw they he out for the summer.
Oh, look at them boys right there to the left.
I ain't even mad at him. He got Alcaraz, or he just got it. Oh shit, look at that. I'm proud of him, bro. Shit, it was like you said, that shit was fluky anyway. Right.
Excuse me.
Appreciate you, brother.
Thank you, Brody. Excuse me.
No.
Excuse me. On the road again.
Video in the park, huh? Appreciate you, brother.
That's where it's at. Check that ass block. That's it.
shit how. Oh, there they go right there. Right there. What the fuck they doing? Oh, they doing it. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Oh, I'm your horn.
I got you.
That was the best tour I ever had. Thank you for the tour guide.
Jazz Nicole, St. Louis, Southside shit.
Uh-oh, straight up, dude. Hey. Get it sexy. Thank you, bro, for making sure nobody don't get on this bitch, because I know you had that AK in that stick. You feel me? Yeah. Hey, you know who you look like? Kawhi Leonard.
Oh, yeah, I heard that before.
Oh, that nigga Kawhi. I'm like, damn, that's Kawhi.
I heard that.
Yeah. Stay blessed, Brody.
Yeah, stay blessed.
Hey. Hey, what's the moves? What's the moves?
We're cool right now. We're going to see what else. What else, y'all? Y'all chilling?
Nickelodeon. What they do, boy? Clank, clank.
Baby chef and pasta, she don't even know, yeah, she laying with a rasta. Baby chef and pasta, she don't even know.
I ain't have to come out here, man. That's what I do. I ain't have to be out here. I got all type of land.
Damn, that's a beautiful view.
That's a nice little setup. It's a nice little start off. You gotta start off something for the kids. I promise you we gon'. I promise you we got 3 months.
My nigga, oh shit.
Yeah, I got water. Yeah, I got water. I got coconut water too. You want to drink coconut water?
What's up, Newton? Hey, what's up? You feel me? Hey, 1, 2, 3, we gonna say clank clank. I'm a good vibe on Wildin' Out and all that shit. You already know what time it is. 1, 2, 3. Clank clank, still at little boy. Stay blessed, brother. Oh yeah, my boy's finna get to you next, boy. It's right here. Look.
You can't call by his real name. You can't call by his NFL name.
Yeah, get them boys right on that. Yeah, Florida boys. Get them Florida boys right, you feel me? 305 shit.
Where is that?
Where the clothes at? You time, buddy, yo. Where the drip at?
Where the drip? We got some rock. Yeah, we need that drip right there. This drip right there. I need some raw. Man, we need something put on right
now. Y'all been gone 2 weeks.
Hey, y'all said we need something for tonight. We'll put that bit on tonight, right now. Wherever you go, we gonna go. Advertise, come on. It's large. Ooh, yeah, that clean right there. You got medium? You got no medium? Ooh, oh yeah.
Oh, what the heck?
That's a fit. That's a fit right there.
I need a black one. Where you going? Take it down? Look like my size.
What that been say? Fuck you, what? What that been say? Fuck you, what? Oh, fuck this side.
Oh yeah, look. Right in front of the mansion, bitch.
Walking down.
There you go. Wait, ain't going.
I don't want her to run over me. Got nothing to do with this.
Hey, Chain, oh, mad as fuck when you died on BMF, bro. That shit pissed me the fuck off. Man, be back, bro. Just revive. I got some shit for you.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Where you at, big homie? Where you at? We gonna escape through on the golf cart. Shit, no. Oh, they on the golf cart? Oh, they by the guest house. They by the guest house. They right there. Right there.
I'm back again, but he told me.
What's up? What the fuck? Oh, brother.
God damn.
They know you when you get through.
Yeah, they know you when you get through. It's fuck, bro. Look at them deers back there. That nigga got a deer. Of course not.
Y'all got my donut?
Facts.
Y'all rich niggas ain't excluded.
You doing? Right. You said bacon?
You
Rockstar, baby, rockstar. I'm a rockstar, baby, rockstar, baby. I'm a rockstar, baby, rockstar, baby, rockstar, baby. I'm a rockstar, baby, rockstar, baby, rockstar, baby. Had to sleep on the floor just to get here. Now we higher than a chandelier. When it get hard, I keep my faith in God and God. I'm a rockstar, baby. Gotta watch out for the Rico. Caught my first 7 grams on Pico. Too high to have a ego. Funerals is the only time I wore a tuxedo. We same color as my Nike SB's mosquito. She rolling up, vibing in the Filipino. In the hills like Chino. She gave me 85 grams. Feel like Ocho Cinco.
Hey, Slim boy. Slim boy. Hey, Slim boy. Slim boy. What's up, Slimmy?
that way. I don't know.
Oh, no, you good, bro. Oh, it's good. You said what again?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, no, that's what's up. You from Kansas City. That's my boy. Oh, no, you good. No, hey, listen, you gotta do that, bro. You gotta do that. Nah, nigga, you gotta do that. You gotta do that.
Baby chef and pasta. She don't even know. Yeah, she laying with a rasta. Baby chef and pasta. She don't even know. Yeah, she laying with a rockstar. Pasta. She don't even know. Yeah, she laying with a rockstar.
Even to kill him. That's why he put his drink down. Hey, look, he got you. Look, even to kill him. Oh, he the one that did that dance. Man, I do it the best. That's the one that showed me the dance.
Yeah, he ain't ready for me. He ain't ready for me. Yeah, Kansas City shit. Yeah. Hey. Oh, yeah, he ain't ready.
I didn't want to see what it was. I was uncomfortable. Okay. I wasn't about shit. I thought you about to hit it. Oh, no. I thought you about to hit it. I wasn't about shit, no.
Bro, I thought you were about to kill me. I ain't gonna lie. I'm bullshit. Oh, no. You already know Dane County shit, man. Man, love, brother. Hey, you can cut it, Clank. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Clank, Clank.
No white.
Yeah. Straight up, Clank, Clank, no white. Bro, hey, me and Booty not beefing, that's my little sister. Love you, bro. Oh, shit, I ain't even. You can't. Oh, mama. Oh, yeah, we can't go through this gate. I forgot. Yeah. Yeah. You on your ass, Ken? Hey, thank you so much for driving us, making sure we were. Oh, this the DAP. Same time this year.
Nice, man.
So this is the ending of the night. Block, I just heard you do your ending while I was trying to do mine.
Yeah.
Wait, turn on. There's no light back there?
North Carolina.
So we in this bitch, cutthroat. We about to end this shit off.
In the lab now, man. Gang know we just was lit, man. Hey, all over the place, man.
You feel me?
We had a good time.
We already tried looking for don't all that. I like that brown shit.
You feel me?
We had to cut, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna head out, you know what I'm saying?
You feel me?
Hello. That's the team plus down. We go.
Damn, he doing my outro. I thought you was doing my outro. You doing, oh, fuck it. You doing both.
Man. Give me that video. You was turn with Clank.
Hey.
Where I'm going, fat. T-shirt, brother.
Oh, let me see.
Hey, just say 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, Clank, Clank.
Clank, clank. We out this bitch, ho. Ask your grandma. Your grandma sucked too much.
Toes.
That shit way like you though.
Like Instagram.
They say they love you, then they change. That ain't how it's supposed to be. Ain't no love without loyalty. All that face to get exposed. That body ain't who they came to be. I just want you to see. Views different. I just been protecting my energy. Views different. Now my views different. I got 2 little girls, now I gotta move different. I still move with it. Can't let them take me away. Wondering who did it. Ain't giving no more of my time, so I move different. I'm talking right here. I'm like, I got 2 little girls.
He gonna kill that bitch.
Different for real.
Look at little bro.
Like another voice if you really see it. Different.
And he sound like your ass.
Girls, now I gotta move different. Still move with it. Can't let them take me away. Wondering who did it. Ain't giving no more of my time, so I move different. That's all I got right now.
Bro, hey, Zoe. Bro, hey.
I like that. Yeah, the right studio, right engineer.
Bro, hey, Zoe.
That's green.
Zoe out the hood. Hey, nigga.
You heard it.
My nigga got out and moved different. Got 2 daughters, gotta move different. Fuck you talking about, nigga? Kansas City shit. Hey. Out the trenches with that boy, Kansas City to the day we die though. Nigga, our socks got dirty at the same time, nigga. Nigga, we got it out the mud. Oh, I was about to go help me.